Are you tired of customer data being trapped in silos? Sales not knowing what marketing is doing, support has only a partial picture of a customer's history, and your crucial partners? They're often flying blind. This isn't just frustrating, it's actively costing you customers and slowing your growth. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest silent killers of business efficiency and customer satisfaction, broken information sharing. But we're not just talking about buying new software. We're talking about a fundamentally new strategy. And stick around to the very end, because I'll reveal a simple diagnostic you can use today to assess how broken your current information sharing really is, and one surprisingly simple novel concept that could revolutionize it with minimal tech. Now, many businesses try to throw technology at this problem. They buy a new CRM, they commission complex, expensive integration projects, but often these become part of the problem, right? The data gets messy, the systems don't really talk to each other in a meaningful way, and the core issue remains. That's because these tools often just treat the symptoms, not the underlying disease. They fail to address the real job that everyone in your organization and your partner network is actually trying to get done with that information. To fix this, we need a new lens, jobs to be done. It's a powerful innovation theory that helps us understand what our internal teams and external partners are really trying to achieve when they need customer information. Instead of asking, what features do we need, we ask, what's the job? For your sales team, the job might be rapidly access a unified customer view to personalize an engagement. For marketing, it's to securely leverage customer preference insights to segment campaigns effectively. And for your support team, the job is to instantly see a customer's history to resolve their issue on the first try. And we can't forget partners. Their job might be to efficiently obtain necessary customer context to fulfill their role in the value chain, or to collaborate on solutions based on shared accurate data. When we understand these jobs, we can finally design solutions that actually work. So, if we truly understand the job, how do we design better ways to share information? It's all about elevating the abstraction. We need to move beyond just sharing raw data and focus on enabling real insight and coordinated action. Some forward-thinking companies are already making progress with things like truly unified customer profiles, not just a database, but an active service that intelligently provides the right view to the right person. They're also using secure collaborative environments, or data clean rooms, especially with partners. This allows them to analyze combined data for insights without ever exposing the raw sensitive details to each other. But now let's look at what's next. These are novel concepts. Imagine a just-in-time insight delivery network. Instead of your teams hunting for data, an intelligent system anticipates their needs based on context. It then delivers only the essential pieces of information directly to them, exactly when and where they need it. Fewer dashboards, less searching, just the right insight right away. Think about what this does for the job executor. The job of finding and preparing data is no longer done by your highly paid salesperson or support agent. That job is now done by an AI. This frees your people to do their real job, applying their human expertise to solve the customer's problem. Here's another powerful idea. Dynamic access contracts. Smart, adaptable agreements between your business units or with partners. Instead of a fixed, static feed, the contract defines what information is needed for a specific shared job. As the project or customer situation evolves, the contract automatically adjusts the information flow, ensuring it's always relevant, always secure, and radically minimizes unnecessary data exposure. So why bother with all of this? The payoff is huge. You get happier customers who feel understood. You get more efficient teams who aren't wasting time on data grunt work. You build stronger partnership relationships, and you unlock a real sustainable capacity for innovation. You're building a more intelligent, responsive business. So how can you start? It's a 4-step process. 1. Talk to your teams and partners to define the real jobs they're trying to do. 2. Map out their current frustrations and where the process breaks down. 3. brainstorm solutions that are focused on those specific jobs. And 4, start small. Pick one critical job, run a pilot with a willing team, and iterate. Rethinking customer information sharing through the jobs to be done lens isn't just another IT project. It's a strategic imperative. It's about building a truly connected and insightful organization. Okay, as promised at the beginning, here's how you can start to diagnose this in your own company and a simple idea to get started. First, the diagnostic. I call it the 3-department silo test. Go ask your sales, service, and marketing leaders this one question. What are the top 3 pieces of information you wish you had instantly about any given customer? When you compare their lists, the overlap you find highlights the most critical shared pains. The difficulty they have in answering is a direct measure of how deep your silos run. And for a simple novel concept that you can try this week with almost zero tech, start a practice of sharing customer story snippets. Instead of raw data, have your team write a quick 3-sentence summary after a key interaction. What was the customer's situation? What was their goal? What was the outcome? Share these snippets in a common Slack or Teams channel. You'll be amazed at how this simple act gets the real job of sharing crucial context done. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper, check out the full blog post in the link below or in the first comment. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest information sharing headache you face? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on innovation and strategy. See you next time.